Length of arc, theta over 360 times 2 pi r.
Volume, length times breadth times height.
Speed is distance over time.
Tutors, let's solve some problems. Minus bracket p minus x minus bracketed r minus p. So our result minus, that's 3x minus p, minus is plus, so plus x. Then minus r plus p, because minus is plus. Minus r plus p. So collect like terms, minus p and p. Of course, minus p plus p cancels each other. We are left with 3x plus x. That's 4x minus r.
Length of arc, theta over 360 times 2 pi r.
Volume, length times breadth times height.
Speed is distance over time.
An arc of radius 7.5 centimeter is 7.5 centimeter long. Find correct to the nearest degree the angle which the arc subtends at the center of the circle. So, first of all, we apply the formula. Length of arc equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Zero is 7.5, and then this is 22 over pi is 22 over 7. Then length of arc is 7.5. Plugging the values, this is all you have after plugging all the values in the formula. Now, we want to simplify. Let's cross multiply so that everything is on the same line. So this and this are crossed to this other side of the equation. Having crossed everything here, now you have this. But since you're looking for theta, you divide both sides by all of these values. Of course, when you divide by this value, this is what you have left. So let's cancel through. 7.5 here, 180, and then here 11 to here, 11 to here, 90. Left with 19.7. It gives you 630 all over 11, because this times this gives you this, and our theta automatically is 57.27 degrees. So these are theta.
Length of arc, theta over 360 times 2 pi r.
Volume, length times breadth times height.
Speed is distance over time.
Flows out of a pipe at a rate of 40 pi centimeter cube per second into an empty cylindrical container of base radius 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Base radius is 4 centimeter. Find the height of water in the container after 4 seconds. 40 pi centimeter cube per second, radius is 4 centimeter, time is 4 seconds. Know that speed is giving us distance all over time. It gives us the speed as 40 pi centimeter cube per second. Volume of water can be meant to replace the distance, because the distance that we're talking about could be equated to the volume of water, of course, all over time, 4 seconds. So since speed is given as 40 pi, we equate the whole thing and plug it into the formula. This goes to make this, and it becomes 40 times 40 pi. This goes to 160 pi as volume of water. But remember that volume, since it's a cylindrical container, is pi r square h equals to 160. So since 160 pi equals to pi 4 square h, 4 square is given as 16. So 16 pi h. So since you're looking for the height, you divide both sides by 16 pi. So trying to cancel all throughs, you've got 10. So 16 in 160 is 10, so our height is equal to 10 centimeters. And that's a final answer. This question says the dimension.
Length of arc, theta over 360 times 2 pi r.
Volume, length times breadth times height.
Speed is distance over time.
Dimension of a water tank. Dimension of a water tank are 13 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 70 centimeters. If it is half filled with water, calculate the volume of water in liters. Of course, volume of a tank, of course it has to be rectangular, is length times breadth times height, which is this times this times this. Multiplying all this, you're going to get 1,100 centimeter cube. But remember, they said it's half filled. That's you divide it by 2 to give you 1,550 centimeter cube. But remember that they said in liters. Now we know that 1,000 liters equals to 1,000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liters. 1,000 centimeter cube gives you 1 liters. So dividing all through by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, that is equals to 4.5 liters as our final answer.
Length of arc, theta over 360 times 2 pi r.
Volume, length times breadth times height.
Speed is distance over time.